Water is a luxury that many people disregard, but there are a lot of people in the world with limited access to water. To be exact, according to water.org, 663 million people, 1 in 10, lack access to safe water. Water is great for so many things such as keeping you hydrated, flushing out toxins from your body, increasing metabolic rate, and helping reduce risks of many diseases and ailments. Now, what if you only drank water for a month and nothing else? What happens to your body? This means cutting out all beverages such as caffeine, teas, sugary and carbonated drinks, and replacing those with water. The results can only be beneficial. 4 benefits of swapping all beverages for water. 1. Cognitive benefits. There is a direct link between drinking water and brain function, as 70% of your body is composed of water. Lack of water could cause symptoms such as loss of focus, memory, brain fatigue, headaches, and sleep issues. Your brain is comprised of 85% of water and is the most important organ in your body, so it is important to keep your brain hydrated. Brain cells need 2 times more energy than other cells in the body, and water provides this energy. Daily hydration helps you think and focus and can help prevent attention deficit disorder. 2. Detoxification benefits. There is also a clear link between drinking water and the detoxification of the body. Drinking water helps give nutrients to our cells, aids digestion, flushes our bodies of wastes and keeps our kidneys healthy. Without enough water flowing through your systems, you are allowing for waste buildup in your body, which is very unhealthy for your overall well-being. Kidneys are an important organ for the function of filtering waste. If the kidney does not receive the water it needs, these filtering functions cannot do its job, and in turn, can lead to rapid health deterioration. 3. Metabolism benefits. Drinking water can help with weight loss because it helps stabilize your metabolic rate. Water is a natural appetite suppressor. As mentioned before, when the kidneys don't get enough water they can't function properly. Therefore the liver then takes over the function of releasing toxins from the body. Now, the liver is responsible for metabolizing stored fat into usable forms of energy, but when the liver is doing the kidney's job, it isn't metabolizing the fat. This then leads to more stored fat. In this way, dehydration can cause many problems in your system, which can then lead to other health issues. The key is to keep your kidney hydrated so it and all the other organs in your body can function well. 4. Hair and skin benefits. Similar to the rest of our body, hair and skin health depends a lot on what you put in your body. Just like other cells, hair and skin cells require hydration to function properly. Proper hydration leaves your hair feeling strong and thicker, and leaves your skin feeling fresh, radiant and hydrated. Dehydrated skin can lead to dry, tight and flaky skin, which can then lead to wrinkles. Water reaches all other organs before it reaches the skin, so it is important to take other measures to keep your skin hydrated along with drinking enough water, like applying moisturizers after you shower to lock in the moisture. Water is the main source that keeps your organs running effectively and smoothly, so why not incorporate it into your daily diet more often? Try eliminating all other beverages for 30 days, including coffee, tea, juice, and soda, and substitute those with water. You'll see the improvement in your cognitive abilities, your metabolic rate and hair and skin health. You can also try the 30-day water challenge. All you have to do is, you need to drink 8 glasses of water per day. This is the most common myth about hydration. The amount of water that we need is different for every person according to their size, physical activity, and the way their body works. Larger people might need more than 8 glasses and smaller people will need less. If you exercise and sweat a lot or you're generally a heavy sweater, you'll need more water than a sedentary person. You can't overhydrate. Don't push yourself to drink more water than you can handle. If you overhydrate, your kidneys might not be able to get rid of the excess water, which leads to hyponatremia, a condition that dilutes the sodium in your body and makes you sick. If you're not thirsty, you don't need water. Sometimes thirst is very subtle to notice, so you might think that you don't need to drink water. Making water your go-to beverage will guarantee that you get enough water even when you don't feel thirsty. You should drink water when you wake up. You can do that if you feel like it, but you don't need to. Your body knows how to take care of itself when you sleep, so going several hours without water while you're asleep will not dehydrate you. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And for more interesting videos, subscribe to the channel.